Welcome to the WION podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we break down why the US chose USS Abraham Lincoln for the Persian Gulf, revealing how speed, timing, and the game-changing F-35C stealth fighters made this carrier Washington's most powerful signal of deterrence. President Trump described the deployment as a precautionary measure, stating that a massive fleet was heading to the region just in case. The USS Abraham Lincoln was redirected from its operations in the Indo-Pacific to the Middle East. This move places a potent armada directly off the coast of potential adversaries. The Lincoln was already operating in the South China Sea and Indian Ocean regions when the order came. Moving a carrier from the US West Coast would have taken weeks of transit time. By redirecting the Lincoln, the US Navy cut the response time down to mere days, filling the strategic gap immediately. This deployment marks a significant shift in naval power due to the presence of F-35C Lightning II jets. The USS Abraham Lincoln is the first carrier to deploy with a Marine Corps F-35C squadron, the Black Knights. These fifth-generation fighters bring unmatched stealth capabilities to the region. The primary military reason for choosing the Lincoln is the F-35C's ability to evade detection. Unlike older F/A-18 Hornets, the F-35C is designed to penetrate contested airspace protected by advanced air defense systems. This capability is critical for operating near nations with sophisticated radar networks like Iran. Military planners view the Lincoln as a day-one asset, capable of initiating operations immediately upon arrival. The combination of stealth aircraft and experienced crew means the strike group does not need a long workup period. It arrived in the region ready for high-intensity combat scenarios if diplomacy fails. Redirecting the Lincoln allowed the Pentagon to surge power to the Middle East without leaving the Pacific completely vulnerable. While it removed a capital ship from the South China Sea, it was the most efficient way to balance global commitments. A deployment from the US homeland would have left a longer vulnerability window. The F-35C jets serve as more than just bombers. They act as advanced flying sensors. They can gather intelligence and share targeting data with other ships and aircraft in real time. This sensor fusion gives the entire strike group a clear picture of the battlefield, even in jammed environments. The carrier is not traveling alone. It is protected by a powerful screen of destroyers and cruisers. These warships are equipped with Aegis combat systems and Tomahawk missiles, adding layers of offensive and defensive firepower. This composition allows the group to defend against drone swarms and ballistic missiles. The crew of the USS Abraham Lincoln has spent months at sea, making them highly trained and acclimatized to operations. This high level of operational readiness was a key factor in the decision. A fresh carrier from port would require time to reach the same level of efficiency. The arrival of the Lincoln